science video class of standard 1. Today we will start explanation of chapter number 10. What is the name of a chapter? Being safe. In this chapter we will learn that how one can become a safe from a danger. First of all, meaning of safety. What is the meaning of safety? Safety means to stay away from danger. What is the meaning of safety? Safety means to stay away from the danger. See, all of you have seen that moreover various type of accidents took place. Yes or no? Yes. Do you have seen the accident? Why does accident take place? Because we are careless. We are not taking care. And due to accident, what will happen? It will cause injury. It will cause harm to our body. Yes or no? Yes. So, what should we do so that accident, injuries doesn't take place? We should save ourselves. And how can we save ourselves? By being careful, by following some safety rules. So, in today's class, we will learn some safety rules that we should follow at different places. Look at here. Safety means to stay away from danger. To keep safe, we have to follow some safety rules. There are different safety rules that we must follow in different places. What we have to do? We have to follow some safety rules. If we are following safety rules, then what will happen? We will save ourselves from various type of accident. There are different places where we have to follow some different type of safety rules. First of all, on the road. So, which type of care should we take on the road? So, first of all, always walk on the pavement. See, look at this picture. Where does the boy is walking? On the footpath. Footpath means pavement. Where should we walk? We should walk on the pavement. Then, next, cross the road at the zebra crossing. At the time when we want to cross the road, at that time what we should use? We should use zebra crossing. See, here there is a picture of a girl. Where does she is walking? She is crossing the road with the help of zebra crossing. Yes or no? Yes, on the roadside there is this type of zebra crossing. So what we have to do? Whenever we want to cross the road, then we should cross the road at zebra crossing only. Number 3. Do not play or run on the road. We should always play in the playground. We should never play or we should never run on the road. If we are running and if car or any type of vehicle is coming, at that time what will happen? Accident. So we should take care. We should never play on road. Next, obey traffic rules. Do you know there are some type of traffic rules? Yes. So what we have to do? We have to always obey traffic rules. Like there is a traffic signal. Yes or no? Yes. How many lights are there in a traffic signals? 3. That is red, yellow and green. What does red light says? Red light says to stop. Whenever traffic signal show us a red light, at that time what we are doing? We are stopping a vehicle. That is, we should stop. Then yellow light. What does yellow light suggest? To get ready. And what does green light says? Green means go. Understood? Yes. Always go out with elders and hold their hands. Yes. What is the another safety rule? That whenever we are going at a new place, whenever we are going at a road where there is lot of traffic, at that time what we have to do? We have to always go with our elders, that is our brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents. And what we have to do? We have to always hold their hands. Next, do not tease stray animals. See, some children have a habit that whenever a dog is sleeping or any other animals is there, at that time what they will do? They will tease them, they will beat them. But this is a very bad habit. We should never tease stray animals. Understood? Yes. Now take a next page, page number 67. Yes, on page number 67, there is one activity for you, that is Debbie's time. What we have to do here? See, color the picture of the traffic light and write what each color stand for. See, how many colors are there in a traffic light? 3. First one is red, then yellow and green. So what you have to do? You have to color the traffic signal and here you have to write. What does red says? Stop. So you have to write stop. What does yellow says? Get ready. So write here get ready. And next is green. What does green light says? Go. But this activity you have to do it in homework. Understood? Yes. Now next is in the bus. What type of safety we should keep in the bus? Number 1, wait for the bus in a queue. What we have to do? If we are waiting for the bus, then we should wait in a queue. We should not run here and there, and we should not do rush also. Number 2, get into the bus when it's your turn. What we have to do? Whenever our turn comes, at that time only we should get into the bus. We should take care that no one gets harmed due to us. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. See, what they have told us? If the bus is moving, at that time we should not get inside or we should not come outside of the bus. Otherwise what will happen? Yes, it will cause a accident and we will be injured. We will get harm. At that time what we have to do? We have to take care. We should never go out or we should never get in of a moving bus. Next, do not put your arm or head out of the bus. See, in each bus there is a windows. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is the safety rule? That we should not put our arm or our head out of the bus, that is out of the window. See, here one picture is there. Yes, it is a school bus. See, all the students are standing in a queue. Yes or no? Yes. So, what we have to do? We have to also follow this. We have to wait for the bus in a queue. Then, we should get into a bus when it's our turn. See, this boy is waiting for the bus. Yes, now its turn came. So, he is getting in the bus. Okay? Understood? Yes. Turn the page. Take next page. Now it's a Debbie's time. See. There are many people who take care of us, like our parents, our teachers, policemen. Yes or no? Yes, they all take care of us. See, sometime if an accident take place, at that time who is coming first? Policeman. Then how teachers will take care of you? Teachers will tell you that how can you become safe. Yes or no? Yes, then parents will also help you. So here there is an activity. These are the pictures. These are the people who help you. So here you have to write name of that people. But this activity you will do it in homework. Okay? Yes. Now let us move forward. Next is at home. Which type of safety rules should we follow at home? Never play with a fire. We should never play with a fire. The place at where fire is there, at that time we should not go there. Okay? Yes. Next, do not touch switches and plugs with a wet hand. See, if our hands are wet, then we should never touch switch and plugs. If we are touching the switches and plugs with wet hand, then what will happen? It will give us a electric shock. See, look at this picture. Yes, this boy's hands are wet and he is touching the electric board. So what happened? Electric board gave a electric shock. So this is not a safety rule. We should never touch the switches and board with a wet hand. Next, do not play with electrical things such as a table, fan. We should play with toys and not with electrical things. It will give us a harm. It will injure us. For example, table fan. Should we play with a table fan? No, it is electric thing. We should keep it away. We should play with only our toys. Next, never touch sharp things like knives and blades. See, look at this picture. This girl is using knives and it will cause a harm. See, blood is coming out of his hand. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is the safety rule? We should never touch or we should never use sharp things like knives and blades. Next, do not jump on chair, tables, beds or sofa. Otherwise, what will happen? You will fall down and then you will get injured. So, what you should do? You should never jump on chair, tables, beds or sofa. You should sit quietly. Okay? Now, we will continue this chapter in our next video.